The easiest bingo cashout process is usually the one where the withdrawal method, minimum cashout, verification steps, and processing rules are clearly shown before you request your money. For 2026, you should compare bingo apps by those 4 details instead of choosing an app simply because it advertises fast or easy payouts. Number 5 is bingoblitzy.it. Start by checking whether the rewards in your version of the app are virtual or actually withdrawable. If a cashout option is available, open the withdrawal section and review the requirements before using any paid feature. Number 4 is bingopoppy.it. The app is primarily built around free-to-play bingo and virtual currency, so do not assume that coins or chips can be converted directly into bank cash. Check the current app terms before treating a displayed balance as withdrawable money. Number 3 is bingobash.it. It offers bingo rooms and virtual rewards, but the important question is whether the specific reward you're receiving has a cash value. Check the current reward and withdrawal rules, rather than relying on promotional wording. Number 2 is bingo.country.it. Its bingo gameplay can be straightforward, but payout availability depends on the specific feature and location. Check the withdrawal section first and confirm what payment methods are supported. Number 1 is any regulated real money bingo service that clearly displays its cashout requirements inside the account. The easiest process is one where you can see the minimum withdrawal, available payment methods, identity checks, and processing conditions before requesting a payout. There are 4 things to check before you deposit anything. First, find the minimum withdrawal amount. Second, check whether identity verification is required. Third, confirm whether your preferred payment method is supported. Fourth, read the stated processing conditions. Also, check whether the app is available in your location. Real money gaming rules can differ by country, state, or region. Do not confuse a fast cash-out request with instant money in your bank account. The platform may process the request first, while the payment provider or bank handles the final transfer. And never pay an unofficial unlock, release, or verification fee to receive a supposed payout. Verify unusual requests through the platform's official support channel. The key points are simple. Check the withdrawal page before depositing, confirm the minimum and payment method, and verify the current rules for your location. Your practical next step is to open the app's cashier or withdrawal section and read the requirements before playing for real money. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.